Create energetic gospel worship remix with modern Eden. Afrobeat playing on boot fusion. Keep the original worship emotion, but add powerful drums, deep bass license, and in a way we shout. You lift me up when I fall down. Me Bilip long you love surround me now. You lift me up when I fall down. Me Bilip long you. Your love surround me now. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Me Bilip long and blow you. Hallelujah, you taste on me. Turn it up, let the spirit move. Gospel remix, me singing praise long you. Spirit blow, God fill this place. Me liking you, me singing grace. The remix should feel uplifting, joyful and powerful, perfect for youth groups, churches, and spirit blow. God fill this place. Me liking you, me singing grace. The remix should feel uplifting, joyful and powerful, perfect for youth groups. You lift me up.